Creating an Instagram account is a simple process. Follow these steps to create your Instagram account in 2023. Download the Instagram app. Visit your device's App Store, such as the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and search for Instagram. Download and install the official Instagram app on your smartphone or tablet. Sign up for an account. Open the Instagram app and tap on Sign Up to create a new account. Choose your sign-up method. Instagram offers 2 sign-up methods, using your phone number or using your email address. Select the method that you prefer and enter the required information. Enter your personal information. On the sign-up page, you'll need to provide your full name, username, and password. Choose a username that is unique and represents you or your brand effectively. Your username will be the name that appears on your Instagram profile and the one used by others to mention or tag you. Add a profile picture. Upload a profile picture that represents you or your brand. This could be a personal photo or a logo, depending on your preference. The profile picture will appear alongside your username and posts, so choose an image that is clear and recognizable. Complete your profile. Enter a short bio in the designated space to provide a brief description of yourself, your interests, or your business. You can also add a website link if you have one. This information will help visitors understand more about you when they visit your profile. Connect with friends and contacts. Instagram provides the option to connect with your contacts from your phone's address book or to search for friends on other platforms such as Facebook or Twitter. You can choose to connect with them at this stage or skip this step and connect later. Explore interests and customize your experience. Instagram will suggest accounts for you to follow based on your interests. You can choose to follow some accounts to personalize your Instagram feed and discover content that aligns with your preferences. Additionally, you can explore various tabs in the app, such as the Explore tab, to find new accounts, hashtags, and trending content. Adjust your privacy settings. Instagram offers privacy settings that allow you to control who can see your posts and interact with you. You can set your account to public, meaning anyone can view your posts, or private, where only approved followers can see your content. Access the Settings menu to configure your privacy preferences according to your comfort level. Start posting and engaging. Congratulations! Your Instagram account is ready. Begin sharing photos, videos, and stories with your followers. Use relevant hashtags, geotags, and captions to enhance the discoverability of your content. Interact with other users by liking, commenting, and sharing their posts to build connections and engage with the Instagram community. Remember to familiarize yourself with Instagram's community guidelines to ensure your account complies with their policies. Enjoy capturing and sharing moments, connecting with others, and discovering inspiring content on Instagram.